Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I will discuss about debit relief IRS forgiveness program. What is the IRS Forgiveness Program 2023 updates? A common about the IRS tax relief program. Who might benefit from an IRS tax debit relief program? The painful truth. What are the eligibility requirements for a debit forgiveness program? Benefits of the IRS forgiveness program. How a credit specialist can help. What are some of the IRS debit forgiveness program for tax debit relief? Frequently asked question. What is the IRS forgiveness program 2023 update? Certain in the United States who cannot afford to pay their tax liability due to the financial hardship to make quality for tax debit relief under the IRS forgiveness program. If you are reading this article, then you are here to find out what tax forgiveness is and if you can get IRS forgiveness for your liabilities. The good news is that the IRS offers several debit forgiveness programs designed to help you achieve tax forgiveness. A common misconception about the IRS tax relief program. Due to the financial stress back taxes can cause for certain taxpayers, the IRS is often the last place where many people experiencing the impact of tax debit think they will get the help they deserve. However, the IRS is more than willing to work with you no matter how old your debt is. IRS tax debit forgiveness is more valuable than people think, and a simple lump sum payment combined with an installment agreement can already solve a significant part of your problems. Who might benefit from an IRS tax debit relief program? The taxpayers who may benefit from an IRS tax debit relief program are those who are facing tax problem and cannot afford to pay the tax liabilities. On to the IRS. Most common tax issues mentioned in the Fresh Start initiative include our stated and our stand income and on tax forms for the failure to take all dedication into account. All of these factors can result in federal tax lines on your assessed and IRS debit. If you have made a significant mistake in your tax filing, you run the risk of being audited. Tax help can help reduce your tax liability of tax burden. In expectation cases, contain rules prevent the IRS from putting wage garnishment on a person's bank account. Keep in mind and then never come without notice. And if you receive a letter, you would reach about to one of your tax posts immediately. Qualifications may differ depending on the location of the IRS office, and your employers can help you the navigation of IRS notice. The painful truth. In short, in the standard cases of taxes owed, you will have to pay taxes through a credit or debit card. Even if you get debit forgiveness, if you have significant debt in the IRS, there are different ways to finance your liabilities back to the IRS. In addition, a tax professional might be able to provide service to you for getting into the IRS debit forgiveness program to get a fresh start. Cake takeaway. Taxpayers who cannot afford to pay their tax liability without causing significant financial hardship may qualify for tax debit relief through the IRS Debit Forgiveness Program. The IRS Fresh Start Program allows for tax forgiveness credit against your earned money to help reduce the overall amount you need to pay yearly. The main form of tax debit relief through the IRS Debit Forgiveness Program include installment agreement, innocent spouse relief, offering compromise and currently not collectible status. What are the eligibility requirements for a debit forgiveness program? Eligibility for the debit relief program through an IRS debit forgiveness through is considered based on your total income or expenses. Debit forgiveness is only possible when the IRS is causing taxpayer financial hardship. The tax professional at Ideal Tax are here to help you navigate the complicated red tape filled and overwhelming process of getting tax debit forgiveness and provide details or information where necessary. Our specialists are here to help you solve your tax problems by getting tax debit lowered through the IRS forgiveness program and filling all your tax returns funds and all. Benefits of the IRS forgiveness program. You might be looking to add your tax status and thinking, what am I getting myself into? More than often, individual taxpayers, family, business, employers, or just a company can get behind on different types of payments, including tax collection, depending on the state you live in. Local laws applicable, you could be racking up fees and interest. Eligibility requirements sound very strict, but it all boils down to be one thing. The IRS is not allowed to cause financial hardship. So whether you run a business or you are in self-employment, become a business owner, or are an individual taxpayer, you might be eligible if you feel like you cannot provide for your family. In severe case of economic hardship, you might even be able to request an OIC. Getting tax forgiveness helps you get organized with your taxes to avoid tax in the future. For example, if you are behind your taxes, you could hire CPAS on the freelance basis to get you back on track. In addition, as soon as you can reach a solution, you will stop increasing fees on your tax return. CPAS always have a certification for their skills and exercise the power of attorney to file a proposal. Once you have your financial in order, it will also get easier to optimize tax-free saving, increase your credit score, and file to dedication and tax imputation and tax returns and the tax returns.